In 1952, a photograph was developed in a laboratory. It looked almost disappointing, blurry, grainy, and a strange X-shaped pattern. But inside that image was hidden one of the most important secrets in the history of science. It was simply called Photo 51, and for decades, almost no one asked who actually took it and why. The photograph came from a small laboratory in London. There were no dramatic breakthroughs there, no beautiful presentations, just hours of silence, adjusting equipment, waiting, a dark room, developing film. The kind of work that's hard to imagine in a movie. And yet, this is exactly where real discoveries happen. The scientist behind it was known for one thing: precision. She could spend an entire evening on a single experiment, another evening checking it, and another making sure it was perfect. Not the easiest person to work with, not the loudest voice in the room, but the one whose data people trusted. At the same time, there was already a race in the scientific world. Everyone was trying to answer one question: what does the molecule that carries all information about life look like? Even if you are not a biologist, you know the answer. It's the shape you've seen in school, the one that looks like a twisted ladder. And then, one day after another experiment, the film began to develop and the image appeared. A perfect cross, an X. To those who understood, it was obvious. This was the signature of a helix, the missing piece of the puzzle. But history is rarely fair. In another lab, in Cambridge, two scientists were working on the same problem: James Watson and Francis Crick. And at some point, they were showing this photograph, Photo 51. What people remember, they are ones who made it into textbooks. Their names are the ones people remember. The ones we mention when we talk about the structure of the DNA double helix. The same shape, the double spiral, the ladder of life. But every story has a beginning before the model, before the publication, before the recognition. There is a person sitting in a dark room, watching an image slowly appear and realizing this is something important. That person was Rosalind Franklin. The world remembered the shape. The world remembered the names that explained it, but not always the one who saw it first.